Bonds. It's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is a cup star variety. This is their curry udon. So that's what we're doing. It comes from Japan. Actually came in a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Orator for a discount. So let's fill her to the line. Oh God. I think of this wrong. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Where's that line? Okay. You need a little more water, don't you? Yeah, you do. I gotta use tap. That's the only option I have, ladies and gentlemen. It's my only option at present. Ouch. Youch! Okay. There we are. Sorry about that, folks. Sometimes things, when you're doing a live show, hey. I always like that when you're watching the news or watching some kind of live thing and people are like, oh, you never know what's going to happen when it's live, folks. Oh, that's the kind of deal with live. Like, yeah, it is, I guess. If that's something you're worried about. So anyways, I thought I would share with you something that I found the other day going through our storage after I took down the Christmas tree. We just got a whole bunch of boxes in there and Tupperware, like, you know, plastic storage boxes and stuff. And my daughter's really into Tamagotchi. If you don't know what they're like little virtual pet things. And I used to go to thrift stores constantly, like lots of them, looking for stuff to sell on eBay, right? And one in particular would always have Tamagotchis in them. And I had a keychain with a crap load on them. And I found it. Look at all those. Wow. The only reason I know about these things is because of this one. This is one of the first ones that came to the U.S. I think, yeah, my mom got it for me for Mother's Day. She's like, you want to know what it's like to be a parent? Here, you take care of this little virtual electronic thing, and then you will know what it's like to be a parent. It's really not the same thing, but I get where she was coming from, and that was funny. So, thanks, Mom. And, yeah, God, that was years ago. But you'll have one and you turn it on and you have to feed it, you have to clean up its poop, you have to do all this stuff. And if you don't, it'll die. It'll just have like a skull and crossbones and it's dead, right? So, but it's not snowing yet. And for that, I'm happy. Okay, let's do this. Cool, this one's going. I'm gonna be done before 2. I'm stoked. So yeah, curry cup udon. That looks hydrated to me. Usually these take a bit longer, but it says 3 minutes. Give it some good stirring. Not always keen on curry cup udon because it tends to be really like the noodle, and the broth really salty, but we'll see. Noodle's pretty good in that one. A little bit of tofu. What we got here? That looks to be a beefy bit. Okay, this one I like. Very good. I tend to find that the Cup Star varieties are actually really quite decent. Not to say there aren't ones that aren't like really all that great, but I've found more that I like than dislike, I think. Yeah, I'm just trying to slam through. That's kind of been the way this week. Just trying to slam through reviews and get everything else done. It's like yesterday I did 3 reviews and a mukbang, edited everything, and walked 10 miles. And did all the laundry. And took the trash out. The only thing I wasn't able to have time to do is take the dog on a walk. But yeah, today when I took her out, she had a good walk. She was happy. She did pretty good. She's very puppy, you know. She isn't even 6 months old yet. She's a pug. Her name is Louise. And Louise, as soon as we got home, dropped one on the carpet. It's like, I don't understand how you go from don't do that indoors to, or from here's your little, you know, do it on the paper to do it only outdoors. I have to defer that wisdom to my wife. She's like, well, they can be a little bullheaded. I'm like, what, dogs in general or pugs? She's like, pugs. I'm like, oh. She's like, yeah, they're kind of dense, so it'll take longer with her. But all right. Oh, there's the sun. I'm in the mood. I like using these. And I'm gonna switch out this shichi with this shichi, right? Yeah, where's our shichi? That one. And then there goes the sun. It's one of those days, folks, where it's sunny and then it's not. It can't figure out what to do. But it is going to end up very much overcast, very cold, bitter cold. Hopefully all the homeless people find some place to hang out, because we got some and they need to not freeze. All right, well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is from Indonesia. This is ABC with their Selera Pedas. This is their hot chicken lime flavor, Rasa Ayam Pedas Banal. So that'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe. Really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.